Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to an academy with Yash's Academy and myself, CA Meeta Mangal, and I'm here to guide you people in strategic management at CA Inter level. Now, why am I here today? I'm here to share with you people a very important thing. As in, this is a question which is normally asked to me by students, ma'am. What to be done a day for the exam? It's just a day, ma'am. But so much anxiety is there. How will we revise a whole syllabus? Whole. And whole to the exaggerate means like pata nahi, whole. Syllabus in just one day. First and foremost, it's not one day for you people, it's 1.5 days. It was not even a day for us when we were writing our exams because I was writing my inter in O2 20 years back. And honestly speaking that we used to have 9 days, 8 papers. So we used to have just few hours to revise a whole syllabus. And I can guarantee you by saying that yes, I have revised my whole syllabus. But that requires a proper planning. That requires a proper planning. And that planning cannot be done directly a day before the exam. That planning cannot be directly done a day before the exams. You need to plan what are you going to do a day for the exam from today. For example, if I talk about practical subject first, and in practical, we have two options, sums and theory part. Now let's assume standard costing chapter. Which chapter? Standard costing. And suppose there are 100 questions in standard costing chapter. Tell me, will it be possible for you people to revise all 100 questions a day before the exams? No. In fact, not required also. In fact, not required. Why? All 100 questions are not difficult. But now tell me, are you going to go and hunting? Oh my God, which question to revise? Which question to revise? No. You need to properly plan it out. How? For example, you have done question one and you are able to manage it very nicely today. So if you're able to manage today, you'll be able to manage in the exam. So no need to revise that question number one. But suppose question number three, you were not able to solve question number three, whole question, and you had to see the solution given by CI, and then you were able to solve it. So now this is a question which need to be revised a day before the exam. So what I used to do, I used to write on the page one before about topic question number three. And suppose I was able to solve question number seven, but not only point three. Matlab, whole question number seven I was able to do it except point number three. So I used to write over here question number 7.3. Question number 7.3. See, understand why? I don't have time to see what to be done, what need not to be done. It should be crystal clear what to be done and what not to be done. 100 questions makes no sense. And if you have put in the efforts of solving this 100 questions, but if you don't revise this question a day before the exam, but if you don't revise this question a day before the exam, whole efforts will go in vain. See, the topic which you have done it today and which you are thorough with it, no need to revise it. But the one which you are confused, if you don't revise it, whole efforts of last 3 months will go in vain. So I used to write it, I used to mark it with a marker, question number three. I used to mark point three of question number seven. I used to write in front of the chapter name also so that I'm very clear this is what need to be done on priority basis. And then if time is left, I'll revise the balance syllabus. Am I clear? Practical part. Then another blunder what you people do. You people don't study the theory portion of practical paper. What theory, ma'am? Practical exam. Was agreed. Practical exam. But you have 15 marks, 20 marks theory, and there you get 2 marks, and there the problem starts. You write the language in a layman language, that will not give you marks. So what I used to do, I used to make a 50 pages notebook. But I used to write the theory of all the practical subject. I used to say, okay, I'm doing standard costing. So this is the theory which can be asked in standard costing. I used to write that theory as well as the formulas. So now a day for the exam, I know these are the questions which I have to revise first. This theory I have to revise first. This formula I have to revise first. And if time permits, I will do the balanced syllabus. Getting my point or not? Getting me? Am I clear? Am I clear? Next, theory subject like SM, law, etc. I used to always have two type of notes. One is comprehensive notes and one is like flow charts or key points. Both the notes. Both the notes were really important. Both the notes were really important. I need to have comprehensive notes as in everything in depth, what to be done, what not to be done. I should learn everything. And then what exactly to be revised or different exam key points. Every chapter's key points, every chapter's flowchart. See, I'm a one who believe in uh, writing and practicing. I believe in writing because I believe that when you write things, it gets registered in your subconscious mind. So honestly speaking, this is the pattern I used to follow from day one of my preparation. I was very clear what to be done in the first revision, what to be done in the second revision, and what to be done at day before the exams. Am I clear? Then secondly, uh, few rules which you have to follow while writing your paper. If you are done with paper one, while while doing preparation for paper two, forget paper one. No need to think what you have done. Even if you have done blunder, ignore, forget it. Now nothing can be done. Don't spoil your next papers. Not target 60 marks in every paper. If you feel that you have done blunder in paper one. Secondly, don't entertain any unwanted calls from your friends as in what you have done, what I have done. No, that will waste your time, will panic. So just focus on your preparation. You are smart enough to understand what needs to be done and what not to be done. Am I clear? These are small things which really matters a lot. We feel we are wasting time. No. I always keep on telling my students, my colleagues, my people who are working with me that study properly from day one. Don't do haphazard things. It will never help. Am I clear? And for one and most very important thing, boss, I want to share with you people, an academy want you people to get the best, and for that reason, they have come with 20% offer on CA intermediate subscription. And this offer is valid only till 30th September, but only if you use the code YASHES. Am I clear? And this will be a structured batches. You will be knowing the start date, the end date, faculty, timing, everything. You can access to live lectures, record lectures, recording as many times as you want. You'll have test series, evaluated test series based on ICI pattern, and you'll be having doubt solving session by top educators. Getting my point or not? So any of your friend who is writing in November 2022 or maybe 23, ask them to enroll yourself, take subscription today or max by 30th September to get maximum benefits. And next information, an academy with Yash Academy has started Group 1 batch for May 2023 students from August 18, which is a comprehensive batch. Getting my point? That means we'll be covering syllabus in depth and will be only in English. And it's 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. only one batch. There will be no two batches, morning and evening, only one batch. And so we extended the time to 2 p.m. so you'll be able to complete the syllabus also. And no doubt in saying that you have best educators of India. You will understand what level of depth we will go. So please enroll it today, because as you know, we have 20% off right now till 30th September if you use a code YESHES. And last but not the least, again I'm saying this planning. See, I'll tell you, I was able to crack my CA even after being a science student because I had proper planning what to be done a day before the exams. Am I clear? So once you have revised all the important questions, the question which you are not clear, which was difficult for you, and then if you still have time, you revise next syllabus. But first, what is difficult or what you need to go through it once again. Okay. So all the best. Give your best. Leave the rest. And boss, don't worry. We are doing our best. We will get the best in life. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Sayonara.